Hi everyone, I'm Veer Mahajan, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what logarithms are. Logarithms are very similar to exponents, and if you don't know about exponents, I'm just going to quickly explain what they are right now. So exponents are basically repeated multiplication, and what you're multiplying by itself multiple times is called the base. So in this case, the base is 4, and the exponent is 3. Okay, so you're going to multiply 4 by itself 3 times. So that's what we've written here, 4 times 4 times 4. So this is the first 4, this is the second 4, and this one here is the third 4. Okay, so that's basically what exponents are, like in a very general form. I'm not talking too much about exponents. Of course, there's a lot more to learn about them. So you can learn more about that in a future video that I'm going to make. I haven't made it yet. But anyway, let's start talking about logarithms. But yeah, so before that, actually, I have to quickly do one more thing with exponents. So this is the problem that we have, okay? 3 to the power x is, I'll make this very simple, 9. Okay, so what power do you have to raise 3 to get to 9? So how many times do you have to multiply 3 by itself to get to 9? And I hope you got the answer. It's 2. When you multiply 3 by 3, you get 9. So 3 squared is 9. So x is 2. So let me just write that here. Let me write, okay. And now I'm going to show you how to write this same equation in logarithmic form. Okay, so of course you need to start with log. And this is a very helpful thing to remember, that 3 is the base of this, right? So over here you write the same thing, log base 3. Okay, so you put the base over here is what you put over here. So log base 3 of, so this is the base, and the final result that you're going to get is going to be over here. So that's 9, right? The equal, so this is 9. And now we have to solve for what power you need to raise 3 to get to 9. Okay, so you need to raise 3 to the specific power to get to 9. And if you want, so this is the exponent, right? So this is the answer. Basically you need to raise 3 to this power to get to 9. So you can write that here, but I'm just going to leave it like this. And again, we've already solved this, so we know that it's 2. But just practice this, and on my website, which I'm going to link in the description, there'll be more practice problems where you switch it from logarithmic form to exponential form like this, and where you just evaluate a few of these. Okay, so I think this one should have been pretty simple, but I'm going to continue with a few more of these, maybe 2 or 3 more. So log base 2 of 32. And just so that you can practice more about how to quickly convert between logarithmic form and exponential form, I'm going to write this in exponential form. So our base is 2, so our base here is 2. Raise it to some specific power, let's just say x should be 32. And x is 5, because when you multiply 2 by itself 5 times or raise it to the power of 5, you get 32. So log base 2 of 32 is 5. Okay. Now this one, I want you to try this one on your own. If it helps you, convert it into exponential form first and then evaluate it. But yeah, so we're going to do log base 9 of, wait, I need to make this a bit bigger. Log base 9 of 729. Okay. So I hope you solved it. And I'm just going to do it in exponential form in case like you didn't solve it. So 9 is the base, we raise it to some specific power, and what we get is this 729. Okay, and we need to cube 9 or raise 9 to the third power to get 729, and that's why the answer will be 3. And if you want, again, you can check out more practice problems on my website. But I think that's basically it, like a basic overview of what logarithms are. If you learned something from this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you always know when I'm making a new video. If you enjoyed this video in particular, please hit the thumbs up button. And as always, make sure to check out my website for practice problems and more learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.